Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today another very healthy, tasty, winter special weight loss recipe with very little oil, minimum oil. So let's start the cooking right now. And now here I am adding 1.5 teaspoonful of white oil or vegetable oil, and to this I am going to add a little bit of garam masala powder and one medium sized onion chopped, and this I will be frying till it is golden in color. It's done now. It took 3 to 5 minutes in high heat. Now here I am adding one large potato which I have cut into 4 pieces, and I have fried this, shallow fried this with a little bit of turmeric and salt. The same here, turmeric and salt, and one medium sized cauliflower, large pieces. I have sauteed them, not fried. Okay, and now I will be mixing all together very nicely. After a couple of minutes, I will be adding one large tomato paste to it and a little bit of salt to it. Adjust the salt because we have already added salt. Now here goes turmeric powder, red chili powder. I have added Kashmiri red chili powder, a little bit of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoonful of cumin powder, and sugar, little bit. You can add jaggery powder also if you have. Now mix everything just once or twice a mix, and then cover it and low flame cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll come back and I'll show you all, friends, how the end product comes out to be. Friends, please don't forget to smash the like button if you like my recipe. Now here, after 10 minutes, I will be opening the lid, and it's already done. The tomatoes has become very mushy and the rawness has totally disappeared, and all the masalas and spices are nicely fried. A little bit of oil which I have added, a little bit of oil is oozing out. Now here I will be adding three boiled eggs rather, which I have fried, again shallow fried, and here I am adding 1 cup of water. You can add water according to your requirement of the gravy. Here I have added only 1 cup, and I will allow this to boil for again couple of minutes. And then the final touch, I have checked the seasoning. A little bit of salt is required. Now here I am adding 2 green chilies. This is again optional, and coriander leaves, freshly chopped coriander leaves. This is also optional, friends. It only adds a nice flavor and it's good antioxidant. Now again allow this to boil for just a minute and your dish is ready to serve. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe, and those who are already with me, a lot of thanks to all of them.